If you want to change HTTP to HTTPS on Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to turn on HTTPS redirects so your website automatically sends visitors to the secure version of your domain. This is a simple but important update because HTTPS helps protect your site, improves trust with visitors, and can also support better SEO. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using the account that manages your hosting. Once you're inside, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting accounts are shown, so click that to continue. After the list loads, find the hosting account connected to the domain you want to secure. Next, click the Go to cPanel button for that hosting account. This will open your cPanel dashboard, which is where many of the website settings and security tools are managed. Once cPanel opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Exclusive for Namecheap customers. This area contains special Namecheap tools and options, including SSL settings. Inside that section, click Namecheap SSL. This will take you to the SSL management area. Depending on your setup, you may need to open the section or tab for your installed or managed SSL certificates. The goal here is to find a domain that already has SSL available or has been installed on your hosting account. Now look through the list and locate the domain you want to secure. Make sure you choose the correct domain, especially if you manage more than one website. After you find it, look for the HTTPS redirect option. This is the setting that tells your website to send all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS automatically. Turn HTTPS redirect on. Once you switch it on, Namecheap may take a little time to apply the change across your hosting environment. In most cases, the redirect starts working shortly after you enable it, but sometimes it can take a few minutes to fully take effect. So if you don't see the change immediately, give it a little time and then test your website again. After that, open your website in the browser and try loading the non-secure HTTP version. If everything is working correctly, it should redirect you to the HTTPS version automatically. That means your site is now using the secure connection properly, and that's it. You've now learned how to change HTTP to HTTPS on Namecheap by enabling the HTTPS redirect in cPanel. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference for security and professionalism. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Namecheap tutorials or website setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.